Again, BSHM 1B, and I am your Kusinera. For today's video, I am going to prepare appetizer and salad recipe. But of course, before anything else, we have to perform the mise en place first. So first thing that we have here, of course, is the chopping board. Next is the utensils. We still have here knife, scissors, spoon, tongs, deep fry strainer, and of course we also need this cup, measuring cup. Okay, so let's set aside this again. Next we have here, we also need saucers, bowls, stainless and glass bowl for presentation, and for, of course, we have to use this bowls for liquid ingredients. And we also need plates. Next is that colander and frying pan. So the first recipe that I am going to perform is the salad recipe, which is I'm going to make cucumber salad. Included in cucumber salad are, of course, cucumber. We also need onions, but it should be purple, the purple one onion, not this white. But we only have this one, so I use this. And then we also need tomatoes, red chili. We also need a little bit of ginger. Apple vinegar or white vinegar, and we also need salt, pepper, and sugar. Let's wash this first. So in slicing the cucumber, we can peel the skin, or if you like the skin, you can still have it. And also we can make design from it, like let's form our cucumber into flowers or into other shapes like pentagon, octagon, or any shapes you like. I already prepared my plates and saucers here, so that it's easy for me to transfer my slices. So let's see. For me, I prefer to remove the skin because I really hate this skin. So let me just remove it. And I still have here my plastic bag for my garbage. It is vegetable skins like this. I'm just only using 1 piece of red chili because I hate super spicy. It's better if you have grater so that it will be shred easily. So for the salad dressing, of course, we have to mix first the white vinegar. So this is 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Next, our red chili. Our minced ginger. Here. We also need to put a pinch of black pepper, salt, sugar. We also need sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. So here. And then lastly, let's add 1/8 cup of water. Here. That's it. Let's mix it well. I prepare a bowl of cucumber now. Then let's add the slice of tomato. And then, of course, let's also add our onions. And then, let's chill this first before applying our dressing. For my next recipe, I am going to prepare an appetizer, and this is crispy fries eggplant or crispy eggplant fries. So of course we need eggplants, and we also need cornstarch. We also need black pepper to flavor our egg, add flavor to our egg, and of course we also need salt, breadcrumbs, of course, egg, and these two, ketchup and mayonnaise. We will use this for our sauce. So let's start. Well, of course, first we have to wash our vegetables. So I will slice it into 3. Like this. Now let's ready our dip, which is the egg. Let's beat it this first. Put a pinch of black pepper. And of course, salt. And then mix it again. Next, let's pour our cornstarch. Instead of using a flour, we have to use cornstarch. It's better to dip our eggplant to cornstarch so that it will stick and it will not be splattered when we put it on the hot oil later. Let's just spread it. And the other plate is the breadcrumbs. I'm using this kind of breadcrumbs. Let's just spread it. Let's just spread it on plate as well. Now let's start dipping our eggplant strips. So let's start with the egg and then transfer to the cornstarch, just like that, and then go back to the egg, then roll it on the breadcrumbs. Ta-da! So let's put it. Now let's proceed on deep frying our crispy eggplant fries. So let's just turn it on. Now the oil is heat already. Then let's put our eggplant. Let's wait until it will turn into golden brown, and then let's flip each strips and make sure that it's equally cooked. Let's put our eggplant here to our deep fry strainer so that it will not be oily. Now let's proceed on making our sauce for our crispy eggplant fries. So let's cut this. And also this one, our mayonnaise, just right here. Subscribe na. Mwah.